Bathgate Town Council accepted the gift of the statue in 1952, and then in the 1970s it was vandalised. You can see
all the white
she has a white head and a white arm. You can see white legs. She's got white legs but dark toes on her right foot. These white pieces are the pieces that were added. These were the bits that were torn off, broken off when it was vandalised. Now it will weather to the darker colour eventually, but it was 1975, it was shoved in a shed out of the public view because it was such a mess, heads and arms and legs knocked off.
And these pieces that were knocked off were lost. No one knows where they went. When Claney got a group of people together to see what could be done in the way of conservation and restoration of the statue, brought back to its near original condition.
October 2007, we came up with that.
Yeah.
That was when we started. That was when we learned that it fined £50,000.
And the little bit in this book has got down the challenge of funding, and challenge indeed it was. Joe spent many hours trying to contact many people.
That started off. I'm a sculptor and painter to training. Started off as a solid block, and when you look at the arms and the legs, there are spaces. That's why the toes remained on the block, but the leg got broken off. That's why it was a solid block. So think of the technique and the skill that man had, not to take too much off and make the head too small, or make a mistake in any part of it. You couldn't start over again. That was a solid block at one time. And just appreciate the skill that went into it.
It's a beautiful statue.
Could I just point out another wee thing?
The
thumbprints. There's 5 thumbprints. Claney will show you where they are. They're round the back.
It's something to photograph.
And the thing is, there's our thumbprints. 5 of us.
Oh wow, that's a really nice
That's
picture.
our mark, as it were, on the statue.
There's only 4.
There's 5 there. One's obviously got
On,
loads.
there is. They're on the heel of the shoe.
So, and there's a nice wee photograph of us all in here with our thumbs up. And it's not, we're not saying, hey, we've done it.
And this all was never, you couldn't see this all
If you ever
before
thought
it
about
was
it,
restored, but
detail
now
of it.
you can see the detail of it.
Yeah.